Alright, so far not so good. Yeah. Okay, nothing to tell me to get up. It's not good. Alright, and... oh, no coffee today. Let's see here. Oh, I got a coffee mug. Okay, here. Now, we ended up getting most of the aftermarket parts, which is good, because I didn't pull any of them out of the ships. Speak of coffee. Yo, audio sounds really good. It sounds like a Keurig machine. Except for that part right there. Alright. Coffee is made. Is it nice and warm? Aw, no steam. Hey, how's it going? Alright, welcome back to another one. Today we're going to try out 4.3.1. Alright, so this update is actually going to be our season, I should say, is called Virtuous Descent. It's just a piggyback off of last season's, or the last event for the Onyx facility. So we did a lot of investigation, found out some really questionable research that was happening at the Onyx facility, and now looks like we're going to have to go even further into the investigation, which is going to be really cool. Another good thing that I'm really happy to hear is that CIG is bringing back medical gameplay. So it looks like the universe is looking for more medical people or medical personnel. All right, let's head down to the spaceport and go grab our ship, see what ships we have. Yeah, we'll see how the gameplay goes. I know I got really upset last update, and yeah, already we're stuttering. Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can't get it any closer than that. But first things first, let's see if we lost any ships from the update. Like seriously, running so quick without any armor or any gear. It's like Speedy Gonzalez. Handle. Alright, let's get up here. ASOP terminal.
Welcome to the ASOP
Alright,
vehicle
let's see what we
retrieval
got.
system.
We got the Gladius. I'm just going to point out the ones that mean the most to me. Okay, the Gladius, Reclaimer, Pisces, Mole, okay, Hercules, nice. Cutlass Black with the Executive Edition, nice. Oh, which by the way, I got all the upgrades like the stealth shields and all that stuff. They came back, and pretty much all of the specialty guns that came with the Executive ship, except for two, which is kind of a downside. That's fine. But glad to see that they brought all that back, because what was it, 4.2 or 4.1 or whatever it was, it deleted all of the special upgrades, which sucks. But they did bring back the upgrades, is just what I'm saying. Okay, Vulture Hull C, nice is here. Starlancer Max 400i, my favorite, and then the Zeus is mine. Okay, so let's call the 400. No, we're not going to call right now. Let's go check to see what ships are available to be purchased in the store. So we are going to New Deal on Lorville. Let's see if there's any new ships on display. We got the Hammerhead. What is that? The Mustang, I think it is. And Constellation. I think that's it over here. Yeah, doesn't look like there's anything else. Okay. We're just gonna quickly scan See if there's anything that pops out. Avenger. Reclaimer. I'm surprised they haven't fixed this one. The JPEG for this guy. Because it's pretty messed up. Freelancer. What's this one? Oh, okay. Freelancer Max. Which, by the way, is a good starter ship. This is a good start like haul starter ship for hauling cargo. Has a pretty large capacity of SEUs. What's this one? Oh, I think that's like a bomber. Kind of looks like a mosquito. What do we have here? Urus, okay. Origin Limited. Oh, okay. Cool looking. I like the rims. Prospector. Sentinel. Okay. Mantis. G100. Oh, did they take the 600i? I know that they said that they were going to do some rework on that. Or CIG, I should say. So, what do we have here? Hopefully they fix this. I haven't played with that one yet. So again, Spartan. No wheels. This one has no wheels. The other ones are like stacked up wheels. Excuse me. 400. Yeah. Oh yeah. Why is this so expensive? That's crazy. Drake, Ollie, Cutter, we'll see. Oh, here it is. The X1 Velocity. I don't remember ever seeing this in the store, but it is now. This is the one that I bought, which is pretty cool. Oh, here. Hornets Mark II, finally up for sale in the store. Atlas, it's been in here for a while. What the heck? Why is it? Instead of the middle of the equipment, it's at the feet. Also, as I was mentioning, so all of the ship upgrades from last update, it was replaced with the stock components, but it was kept, which is a good thing, which means that I don't have to go buy more upgrades or re-buy the upgrades, which is makes quality of life for Star Citizen a lot better. Only downside is I have to reinstall everything, but hopefully they'll fix that. Oh, another one too is the elevator for cargo. The cargo elevator. Wow, English is hard. They started implementing a lot of the equipment, like ground vehicles, into, not a lot, but they started putting a couple of the ground equipment or ground vehicles into the cargo elevator access or to the cargo freight manager, which is awesome to see. So what was it? The Atlas and the Geo I was able to access it through here instead of calling it through on deck. So hopefully they went ahead and okay, so there is one. Was it on other? Nope. Yes. Aw, kind of hoping that they brought some more vehicles over into this, because honestly, this is really good, because if you're playing with a buddy or something, let's say you have a ground vehicle, whether it's the 4x4 or the pickup truck version, was it the CSV, whatever it's called, being able to access it through the freight manager and bring it up in your friend's elevator so you can load it up into their ship, it will make things a lot nicer, especially when you're organizing events with either your org, your group of friends, or just one or two friends. So, but yeah, so looks like it's just the Atlases for now. And it disappeared again. It fell. This is not a good way to start the friggin' update. Ugh. Like seriously, man. Talking about literally dropping the ball. In this case, dropping my bike. I don't know. Seriously, man, I don't know. Yeah, okay. As I'm on the hunt for another game to play, to share with you guys, it's time to go. I'm not happy. This is the kind of things you like, well, all these video games anyways. Why don't you go ahead, think about subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that way you are notified every single time we release a new video. We'll see you next time. Who knows, maybe we'll see you out in the verse. Take care. Bye-bye.